What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? I hope that you can hear me. Welcome to this live. The live cut off, and I'm not too sure up until what point it is that you guys were able to hear me or not. But for those who don't know me, and almost nobody knows me because this is my first live, my name is Ace Mago, and I welcome you to stick around and hang out. I'm talking charts. I'm talking psychology, tips, risk management, anything that you would like to know. Feel free to ask questions. I hope that you feel welcomed into my stream, and let's talk charts. So today we had non-farm payroll. Now, non-farm payroll is generally the first Friday of every month at 8:30 a.m. So on a day like non-farm payroll on a Friday, where price is scheduled to be it's scheduled to be delivered at 8:30 with a lot of volatility. It's best to not trade it because it's very unpredictable. Now it can go a lot of pips higher, or it can go a lot of pips lower. And most times in this case, stop losses are not respected. So in order to save yourself taking trades and losses that are not worth having, it's best to sit out and wait for the news driver to release, and then after that, then take a trade if there is a trade to take. If all your rules are met, if all your confirmations are aligning, then it's best to do that. So previously, I did a breakdown of the US 500 and the US 100. Okay, price was trading over here, and I'm not too sure if the video will be posted on the channel where the live is. But before the previous live cut off, we had broken down why I was looking for the price to continue trading lower, take out these lows. Starting from the weekly chart, we broke down the weekly chart, the daily chart, we came down to the 4-hour chart, and then moved down to the 1 hour, and ultimately this is where we stayed. I explained that this right here is a breaker block, so price broke down through it, returned to it, and then started to trade lower. We saw that over here, that the weekly chart was in a downtrend. The daily chart is failing to make higher highs, indicating that price is now in a downtrend. Alright, so moving over to current pair that we're looking at, we see that we have a failure of this high being taken over here. So this high has failed to be taken, and before this high has an opportunity to be taken out, when I say taken out, I mean traded to, we get this breakdown. So this candle over here breaks down aggressively, and when we see this candle break down aggressively, we create a break of this here. So this has now become a mitigation block. Now I want to see price trade down, turn to the mitigation block, and then continue lower for this low here. This is the 830 low, and this is an old daily low. So I want to see price take out these equal highs and then roll over from here. So if we go back to the 1 hour, this blue box is the low of the mitigation block, and I want to see if price can come back up and trade lower. This simply becomes a waiting game. From here on, it becomes a waiting game. Okay. Because we have established what we're looking for, the price has not done it yet. So, just because I believe that price will go higher and then turn around from here to go lower, that does not give me the green light to take longs or to enter buys to trade it up. Why? Because price can easily fail to get up there and then roll over and go lower. And because my bias on the higher time frame is bearish and my bias overall is to trade lower today, I do not want to go against that idea. Now guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I know that possibly right now there's nobody in this live stream, but if you guys are watching this in a later date, feel free to ask any question and I'll be glad to answer with the most respect that I can and being able to give you the best response that I can. Welcome to my first live stream. I hope that you guys enjoy yourself. And I'm 22 years old. For those who don't know, 22 years old. And my mentor is the mentor of mentors. He likes to use this color chart. And as a tribute to him, I as well use it. Alright guys, so we have now traded above this high. I want to see if we can trade a little more aggressive above it. Alright, so possibly something like this. Trade above, and then see a turnaround like that. wait for this 5-minute candle to close. And right here, we need to be patient. We need to be patient in order to take a trade. We need to see if everything aligns. And when the price gives us an indication that it's willing to move lower from this level, then and only then can we enter. So if, hypothetically, guys, this is not financial advice. Now I forgot to put that disclaimer inside the description, but guys, disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional. I am simply giving you my opinion, trying to spend some free time with you guys, and sort of let you look over my shoulder what it is that I do when it comes to this channel. So hypothetically, guys, if there was a trade to take, I would be risking 1% risk of my account. So hypothetically, if I had a $100 account, let me reword that. Hypothetically, if I had a $10,000 account, I would risk $100. If I had a $100 account, I would risk $10. Now, $10 is not the 1% risk, but for an account that low of size, it would be more than good for that account size. Now, if I had a 100K account, I would risk $1,000. Alright guys, so let me just go back to this. This is what I said I wanted to see, and look what we're getting. Okay, we're starting to see this point. So over here, I'll put it back. Guys, hypothetically, if I were to take a trade from here, I would risk 1% of my account. Okay, so we see this candle trade above, and we can get rid of this now. We see this candle trade above, and then turn over. Now I want to see a failure of an attempt to take this high. Now this blue box here is the 1 hour mitigation block, meaning that if everything is correct, we're gonna see price start to trade lower from this area and then continue down to take this low. But notice how here we're failing to create lower lows. So this low here does not take this low out here. This low here does not take this low out here. But this is simply 1 minute structure. Overall, we've been going bearish, so I'm gonna stick to my analysis. If I get this trade wrong, there is absolutely nothing wrong about that. There's absolutely nothing wrong. You will take losing trades. It's part of the game. It's part of trading. It's part of this industry. There's winners and there's losers. You're either bullish or you're bearish. You're either over leveraging or you're not. You either risk manage or you don't. So guys, it's something that you need to come to terms with and accept that there's gonna be times where you get it wrong. Even when everything aligns, even when everything looks like it's good, green light to enter, it will just rip against you and you'll be wondering why, what did I do wrong? And at that point, that's a time to step away from the chart and go do something you enjoy doing. Go on about your day. And you want to journal your trade. You want to journal what you saw, how you felt in that moment, what your risk was. But then forget that and go on to the next day. So guys, over here we see price traded above and down. Now we're seeing an attempt to take this high. I do not want to see price continue above and continue going higher. I would like to see for price to break down aggressively, break this low, and then potentially give us an entry to the lower. I want to wait for this candle closure. We'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close in the next few minutes. I would like for this candle to close bearish below this blue box. Now we start to see price move lower, and this is an opportunity to go short, but we're simply going to wait. We are going to wait for the closure of this candle. Alright guys, so let's see this close of a 5-minute candle, close down here. this 5-minute candle closed. So if we look at this 5-minute candle here, this one right here, it closes above the mitigation bar, right? But immediately the next candle closes back inside. Now this is something I wanted to see. Now let's look here closely. Price has began to trade aggressively lower, breaks through this low, and I want to see if we get an entry pattern or an opportunity to go short from this low right here. And our stop loss, so hypothetically, if I were to take a position, I would want to go low at this low with the stop loss at the high of these bodies. So we can see that price has returned to this low here, and now we want to see if it will move lower. So right here is your entry for the shorts. Now I did say previously that over here there was an opportunity to go short, and then now we have gotten officially our first entry here. Now price has just missed the low, but for those executing manually, this would be an entry. And our target will be this low here, ultimately down here. First low, second low, and ultimately this low. So it's at this point it becomes a patient game, guys. There's no need to rush. So we want to see here, now price has returned into the mitigation block. We want to see, can it aggressively break down lower? So we'll be entering here. Stop loss of 8.4 pips and a take profit of 21,914. So 21,914.
Food channel. It's entertaining.
Flavor
It's my new favourite
And we can now enter here.
Flavor Network. Streaming on Stack TV.
Alright guys, so we are now in this trade, in this hypothetical trade, and we want to see how price delivers. So we can see here that our risk is about 1%, so 0.7%, and our take profit is a gain of almost 5%. And now guys, it just becomes a waiting game, okay? I will let price either hit take profit or stop loss. I will not trail my stop. I will not take partials. I will simply let it hit either stop loss or take profit. I will move my stop loss to break even once price has traded below this low here. Okay, once price trades below this low over here, I will move my stop loss to break even, and then I will let price play out. Guys, we can see that this is indeed a live market. This is not replay. Over here we can see the candle closures. We can see the pair that is being traded. If you're new to the stream, guys, which at this point everybody will be new to the stream, this is my first live stream on YouTube. This is my first live stream anywhere. I simply want to share what it is that I have been working on and hopefully help somebody that wants to learn this skill set or wants to know more about it or has inquiries that they have been looking answers for and have not found any help. Feel free to ask any questions, guys. Feel free to tell me your experiences, what it is that you like to trade, tell me a bit about it yourself, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I will be going live 2 times a week, and I will be sharing with you guys my insights, what it is that I'm looking for, some psychological tips, some risk management tips, and coming in on this channel, I will be doing a video explaining what I will be working on for this year. So this year I will stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. I will be releasing what it is that I'll be working on the video that's dropping on this channel next week. Alright, so next week I will be dropping one video of what it is that I will be working on for the live streams. So I'm excited. I hope that you are excited, and I hope that it comes of benefit to you guys. Again, my name is Ace Mago, and welcome to the stream. Feel free to hang out, and let's see this trade play out. Reaction off this level here, and then we're seeing price return to it. Let's see if we can stay aggressively bearish and continue to drop, guys. If we hit stop loss on this trade, there's absolutely no issue. There's absolutely no issue. It's part of trading. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But what we can do if we hit stop loss is position ourselves for the next trading day. So you want to write down what it is that you'll be doing for the next trading day, what it is that you could have done differently, what it is that you learned from this trade being taken, and it's simply it is simply a result of proper risk management, a good strategy that you've back tested, and staying disciplined to your rules. Okay, there's no secrets, there's no sauce. If I were to say that there's one secret sauce, I think it would be to stay locked in with your risk management, because your risk management is what's going to save you. If you have losing trades, if you have a losing streak, your risk management is the only thing that can save you. And now, there's other things that you can take into consideration. For example, if you notice that you're losing trades, the first few minutes that you hop onto your trading setup, maybe it's best to not take a trade. Maybe it's best to avoid that. Now, if you notice that most of your losing trades come when you are trying to buy the market, when you are trying to take a long position, but you see that the majority of the time that you take shorts, or you sell the market, you make money, maybe it's best to cut out some of those buying trades. Do you see what if there's something that you can avoid doing, for example, another one, if all my losing trades, the majority of the time, come from me trading on Mondays and Tuesdays, then I simply will not trade Monday and Tuesday. I will wait for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There is nobody with a gun to your head saying you must take a trade. You must go on the trade. If you wake up tired that day, there is no obligation to go on the trade. If you're not feeling good that day, there is no obligation to take a trade. Well, I still need to figure this out, but all I know is that this is the start of something good, and I'm super excited. I want to see this trade play out. I'm gonna let this keep recording. That I'm gonna go eat because I've done my part. There's nothing, absolutely nothing for me to do anymore. Now I could possibly use my stop loss for eating, but I'm gonna follow my rules. I'll see you guys in a bit. Boom!
win free groceries for life. You can see all the incredible deals we have in stock, like fresh produce, premium meats, and all your favorite brands. Don't wait. Shop with the app today at your neighborhood grocery outlet for your chance to be one of the 2 winners who will receive $500 monthly for 40 years. No purchase necessary. Restrictions apply. Many will enter, few will win. See groceryoutlet.com for details.
Grocery Outlet Bargain Market.
Let's go! We getting that bread, boy! We getting that bread, boy! Look at that, look at that. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. I'm recording, bro. Say hi. Sit down, bro. Sit down, cut. Say what's up to the live.
What's up?
Say what's up, say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
Tell him, bro. Tell him about you. Who are you? Who are you, man? Who are you?
Speedy Godzilla.
Speedy Godzilla? Speedy Godzilla? Speedy Godzilla. Hey, Speedy Godzilla. So, what are we doing today, bro?
Forks.
Uh-huh. And what is going on with this Forex thing? Are we making that cash?
Getting rich.
We getting rich? Rich or rich?
Rich.
Yeah, we getting rich! Let's go! Let's go! Hey, chat, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, lock in with us and you're gonna get rich too! Come on, man! Come on, bro! Come on, bro! We got ooh, hey, ooh, hey, ooh, hey, hey! Alright, we'll be back. So focus on this price action. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I came for one thing and one thing only.
My speaker.
Wait, hold up. Hold up. Why is this thing so long? Give me a sec. Okay. So I'm back, guys. We just took a little quick pause. Notice how we are consolidating right here. Okay. We're in between these right here. I want to see a push lower. Boom, right down there. Now we can move our stop loss to break even now that we've traded past this low. But I'm actually gonna move my stop loss right into profit here. I know I said I was not gonna take partials. This is not partials, guys. This is simply just moving my stop loss. Okay, now that my stop loss has moved, I've now covered my risk and a bit of profit on this trade. So what we're looking for is a continuation lower and a potential expansion past this low to come down ultimately here. Our take profit is at the sell stops, but our final target is right here. So we're a few pips away from full take profit. We're currently $3,688 in profit, so we're just gonna wait to see what price wants to do and just let it play out. So I want to see price from here go on lower, and let's see what it wants to do. So for the remainder of this trade, I will stay on the call. I hope that you guys have enjoyed my first stream, my first recording, my first video for you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed yourselves, that you've learned something being here with me. And just know that this is one of many. This is not the first time that I will be doing this. And I'm super excited that this has now become something that I want to include in my life. I'm looking forward to this year with you guys, and keep trading, keep being persistent, and keep going forward. break these lows, as we have right here, if we trade one candle below this low, then I'm gonna trail my stop loss even more. Okay, this is called offset distribution below these lows, and then ultimately below the lows. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Guys, because price is stalling to go lower, you're able to take profit here. You don't need for it to go to take profit, because this could easily reverse back all the way up here. And we've called all this move now. This whole entire trade, we've called it out. Taking the slow, taking these equal lows here. It does not need to go below this low. Now, best case scenario is it comes down here. But there's absolutely nothing that guarantees that that will happen. So you need to learn how to manage it. You need to learn how to, take partials, do this, do that. And in this case, if you took this trade with me, right now would be a good time to take a partial. 80% of the trade closed, maybe 90% of the trade closed, and just let the last bit remainder reach for this here. So we're up about 3,952 on this trade, and I'm gonna go ahead and close partial. Now, I did say we were not gonna close a partial, but because we moved lower and did not continue to go down, and we're starting to go up, I'm going to secure profits. Okay, so partial close right here. And my stop loss, I can now trail it above this high. Why? Because we have a block here. Price has touched it. Price has touched it. Now, if we break above these highs, it's very likely that we'll break this high and continue to go high. So, I do not want to see that. I want to see price stay in here. Just simply type low. Now, also, we have already moved a big portion on this trade. We're up right now currently 50 pips on this trade. 50 pips. So there's no need for me to be greedy. There's no need for me to think, this is not good enough. No, it's not the case whatsoever. Okay, it's not the case whatsoever. Matter of fact, I'm gonna close out this position completely. Reason being is because we have taken a lot of time here. I feel uncomfortable now in this position, and I would rather listen to my experience than not. If it plays out and it comes here, great. I was right. That's it. I was right. It doesn't matter. Go again. There's always another trade. There's always another opportunity. There's always something that's gonna offer you a chance to go again. So just be calm. slow for the people. We're here to make money, we're not here to catch right to So guys, thank you for tuning in. And you know how we're gonna celebrate this. Alright, this is the one way we're gonna celebrate this. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you guys are ready. I don't think you guys are ready! Do you hear me? I don't think you are ready. That's just the case. That's just the case. That's just the case.
When you learn this skill set,
Listen to this.
it removes fear.
Woo!
It
Guys,
removes
this is
fear
only for when you hit
of missing
TP,
out.
guys. This is only for when you
It
hit
removes the fear
TP.
and
You cannot
anxiety
listen to this
of,
if you don't hit TP. You cannot do this like
but it
that.
also removes the fear of inflation. Because this skill set will always outpace inflation.
You hear that?
I don't care if gas is $20 a gallon. I'm just trying to drive my Corvettes. I have 8-cylinder Corvettes that I absolutely will not leave parked. I will drive them and I will enjoy
Not
them.
care. I just got up out of bed. I remember I didn't even have to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. I just got up out of bed. I remember I didn't even have to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. The motion that I seconds, you can call me trendsetter. Back then it was retail, now I'm inside the circle. You ain't heard of it, can't keep my name out their mouths. It was route after route, had to figure it out. From vending machines to ghost in the machine, I'm the most viewed trader without flexing the scene. 2 Corvettes to make sure that it's true. Started as the Forex guru. Now they know me as your mentor's mentor. This is clockwork, like a Swiss timepiece, but the standard up with no labels. I stayed on demos. I stayed on demos. I don't even like TBTs. Leave the past where it is. I'm all about my FPGs. Extra vision in my eyes, we call that SMC. Even I just got up out of bed. I remember I didn't even have to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. I just got up out of bed. I remember I didn't even have to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. I ain't on no diet, but I focus on the macros. They get me paid and happy like a packet with some tacos. If it's Sunday, I ain't stressing cause I'm Monday. I'm waiting for Tuesday and on Wednesday I'm catching the expansion. It was meant to be, they can't stop me. It was hard to believe, it all happened slowly. I don't even need your money, little bro, I teach for free. Let's go guys, let's go. Teach for free. Drop some 14s in the chat if you've been eating with me, guys. Drop some 14s in the chat if you've been eating with me, guys. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what we're here for. So, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the more content that's coming. Stay tuned for the giveaways. Stay tuned for the skits. Stay tuned for the psychology tips. Stay tuned for the breakdowns. Guys, let's go. Boom! I just got up out of bed. I remember even not to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. I just got up out of bed. I remember even not to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. I've been living like a day trader. I'm a trendsetter. Everything that I do, I'ma go getter. Everything that I'ma do, I have to do it wetter. Yeah, hey, it was route after route. Figure it out, had to figure it out. Now, I just got up out of bed.
I remember needing not to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. I just got up out of bed. I remember needing not to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. I've been living like a day trader. This money that I'm getting, you know I can get her. And if it's time that I show up, you know I'm a trendsetter. It was route after route, had to figure it out. Couldn't put me out from goes to the machine without fixing the scene. I will know me for the bees. I don't even know what it be. I was selling my life so bees and me so I was killing the bees so I'ma get bees. I'ma go get my bees. It was yesterday, I wanna get today. Money go, and money come, and money go, and never. I wanna get to be money coming and see. Hey, I don't even know what these, but I wanna know be these. I don't wanna take TDB. I wanna take TDB. Wait. I just got up out of bed. I remember needing not to go to work. I just got up out of bed. I remember needing not to go to work. Why? Cause I just cashed in another check. Hey, I've been living like a day trader.
Chart is in the downtrend. Daily